dance for three is an impressive Manx dance, popular amongst the more advanced dancers. Also known by its Manx title, Dance Sun Trua, it was composed over 50 years ago by Leighton Stowell, so that he and two fellow dancers could dance together at their lunchtime dance sessions at Ballasalla School. So we're going to start with three people. Now, ordinarily you could have one man and two ladies. In our set, we've got three ladies. That's absolutely fine. The important thing is you have three people. The dance takes a bit of a formula and repeats but slightly changes as it goes along. You'll see what I mean when we get stuck in. So we start with our hands held, and we're going to start with a diagonal set to the right. So arms are up, and we're going to do a little set. We go set 2, 3 and back 2, 3, and again. Then we're going to go step to the right and balance, step to the left and balance. Now this right foot, you're going to bring it around the back to do a cross back step. Now we cross together and then we go in the front and back. Should we just try that? Okay, ready? We won't do it full speed, we'll just do it fairly steady. 2, 3, go. Set 2, 3, back. Set 2, 3, back. Balance 1, 2, and cross back step. We'll do it one more time, a bit faster. Then G-3, set and back, set and back. Balance, balance, cross back step together. Okay, we'll move on now. Once you've done it all to the right, we're going to do exactly the same, but this time to the left. So again, slowly to start with, setting diagonally left and back, and left and back. We step onto our left and balance, right, and cross back step. And watch that one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Set and back, balance, balance, cross back step together. So that's the first section. We're going to move on now to the first verse, if you will. So the centre person is going to turn to face the person on their right, and the other person on the end there is going to face the middle. So we've got two facing this way and one facing that way. So we'll just do our bit first. We're going to take right hands and the other hand is up. Now the step is a Manx reel step. So that's a 1, 2, 3 hop. And we're just going to do a full circle around. 1, 2, 3, hop, 2, 2, 3, hop. Now whilst we're doing that, Chloe on the end there is going to do a cast around by herself, by her right shoulder. So that's just a little circle, which we would call a cast. So if we put it together, you'll see how we can progress on from here. 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, hop, 2, 2, 3, hop. Now you'll see the centre person is now ready to go over to the left. I am going to cast around to my left, and the girls are going to do a handing round by the left hand. Let's try that. 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, hop. 2, 2, 3, hop. And then we just repeat the whole motion again. Let's show that. 1, 2, 3, hop. 2, 2, 3, and to the left. 1, 2, 3, hop. Back to your place. So in essence, you're kind of doing a figure of 8 on the floor, but using hands as we go. Let's show it up to speed, shall we? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, hop. 2, 2, 3 by the left. And then repeat. 1, 2, 3, hop. 2, 2, 3. There we are. So that's the first verse. Okay, we're going to go now to our second section, and it's very similar to the first one that we taught with the setting diagonally, but this time we're going to do scrapes. So we have our right foot ready, arms are up, and we're going to bring our foot across the floor and up to our knee. So it's like a slight scraping action. Scrape up, and we're going to go kick, 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 kick. It's quite an odd one to do slowly. It feels weird, doesn't it? Go scrape, kick, kick, kick. And just like we did in the first section, we then set diagonal, and we do a balance, step on the right, step on the left, bring it round the back, cross back step. So let's just do that bit again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Scrape and set, set, balance, balance, cross, back, step. Let's just do that bit again. So we're going to do the scrapes, up to the knee, set, set and balance. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Scrape and set, set, balance, balance, cross, back, step. And then we do exactly the same like we did before, but all on the left foot. So slowly it's scrape, kick, 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 set, 2, 3 and back. Step on the left to balance, step on the right to balance, bring it around the back, cross, back, step. Let's try the whole section up to speed. Right leg scrapes and left leg scrapes. Ready? Scrape and set, set, balance, balance. Now with the left, scrape and set, set, balance, balance, cross, back, step. Excellent. We're going to move on now to our second verse. So this is a setting motion like we've done at the beginning, but this time we're going to set side to side. And just like before, the centre person is facing the person on their right and the other person is facing the middle. So arms are up for everybody. We all set to the right, there's a little jump. 1, 2, 3, back. And again, 1, 2, 3, back. We'll try that again. 2, 3, go. Set, 2, 3, 4. Now, we're going to do a Manx spin, and Chloe on the end there is going to do a spin by herself. Now, if I explain this, we're holding right hands. We bring it up, a bit like an arm wrestle, and we have our forearms flat to one another. I'm going to hold on to that elbow, you're going to hold on to mine, and you want to take a little bit of tension, otherwise it's quite difficult to get around. So feel the tension on those arms. Right foot is in towards the body, as are the hips. We take a bit of tension and it's a pivot step. 1, just like that. And it's a good one to have a practice. And you pivot around with your partner, feeling the weight of the other person. Now, whilst we're spinning, Chloe, you're just going to be doing a pivot around by yourself. We'll put those two together and we'll do it at a fuller speed so you can see what it looks like. Ready? Set, 2, 3, 4, and spin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kim will come out to face Chloe and we repeat the whole thing again. And it's still a set to the right, not a set to the left. So we do exactly the same both times for this one. Ready? 2, 3, go. Set. 2, 3, and 4, spin, 2, 3, 4. And we all spin back into our line, ready for the third part. Our next section is the feathers. So holding hands back in our lines, we have our right foot, which points out to the side. We lift it up behind the knee, and this knee is kind of a 45-degree angle. So it goes behind, in front, to the side. And whilst you're doing that, you have like a hopping motion. So at speed, if I just show you, out, behind, in front, to the side. Okay, so let's do that slowly again. Out, behind, in front, to the side. We're going to set, diagonal, and back. We step and balance. 1 and 2. Bring your right foot round. And a cross back step. And all then by the left, just like before. Out, behind, in front, to the side. Go, set, 2, 3, set, 2, 3, balance. And foot comes round and cross back step. We'll try that all up to speed. Okay, ready? Then out, behind, in front, to the side. Set, set, balance, balance. And to the left. 2, 3, 4, set, set, balance, balance, cross, back, step together. Excellent. Now we have a movement called circles. Now the circles go in a running step. And when I say running step, it starts on your right foot. It's an motion that goes across. So it's a traveling step, but we're going around and we're leading with our right foot. Now we have our left-hand person You're going to come across to me with the running step. We'll all join in. So it goes 1 and 2 and back to your place. So it's quite fast. Okay, so it's run and 2 and 3 and 4. The centre person does something different now to the 2 outside people. So I'm going to break it down. Let's just do the centre person first. So Kim goes forward, 1, 2, 3. She's going to do a scissor kick. 1, 2. Back to your place. And you can do a big hoi as well if you like. So let's just try that. And 1, 2, 3, hoi, back to your place. And the 2 people on the outside, we're going to do a cast around in a circle away from the centre person. So it would be our right foot going just in a real step, a 1, 2, 3 hop. We're going to cast away from Kimberly. 1, 2, 3, hop, 2, 2, 3, hop. So we'll put it all together and we'll show you what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cast, 2, 3, back to your place. And then, as you predict, I'm sure we do it all then by the left. So left foot this time, we're going around to the left, and I'm going to lead this time, so the right-hand person is going to lead the circle. We go around, and 2, and 3, and 4, and we repeat the bit at the end with the cast and the centre person coming forwards. 1, 2, 3, back to your place. So we're going to start this time, unlike any other verse, with our arms down, and we're going to do a single turn around to our right. So we just turn 1, 2, 3, 4. No hop or anything, it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4 step. Arms are then held, and we go into our setting section. Set, set, balance, balance, and cross, back, step together. And we repeat by the left. Drop your hands down. We turn left shoulder. Arms are then held. We go set, set, balance, and cross, back, step. Let's just try that up to speed. 1, 2, 3, go. Turn, 2, 3, 4, set, set, balance, balance, and cross, back, step, turn left. And set, set, balance, balance, cross, back, step. Now we're just right at the end of the dance and we're going to finish off with a figure of 8. Now if you've never done a figure of 8, it can be a little bit tricky at first, but bear with. And you're basically just marking out a figure of 8 movement by yourself, but we're going to do it as a 3, and I'll show you what I mean now. So if you turn and face, and Chloe is going to do a little cast around to her left, whilst Kim and I are going to pass by right shoulders. And this is all done in a Manx reel step, so a 1, 2, 3 hop. Now we're marking out the shape of a figure of 8 on the floor, and we're passing right and left shoulders as we go. So it's pass, 2, 3, 4. Chloe has casted, so she's now joining in. 1, 2, 3, hop, back to our place. So it's quite a nippy little movement, so you have to kind of get a wiggle on to get around. So let's just do that up to speed. Ready? 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, hop. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and back to your place. And we're going to do now our very final section. We hold hands. We go forward for 3 steps on our right foot. 1, 2, 3, and scissor kick, and back we go. So that is quite a fun little step. We'll try that again. 2, 3, go. Forwards, 2, 3, back we go. And to finish off, right for the very end, we do this movement. We set to the right diagonally, set, 2, 3, and back. We step onto our right, hop, and we go out and down on our left knee. You can finish with a nice big hoi as well. Let's just show you that bit up to speed. So the figure of 8 part, the forwards and kicks, and then the very ending. 2, 3, go. Round, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Back to your place. Forwards, 1, 2, 3. Back we go. Set, set, step, hop, out, down.